Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. As always, I hope that you are safe and doing well. In today's video, I share with you 3 upcycle projects using inexpensive glass that I picked up from my local thrift store. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. I'm starting off with this large glass jar that I picked up for $3. I washed and dried my jar and took it out to a well-ventilated area for 2 coats of gold metallic spray paint. And once my jar was completely dry, I added some of this Dollar Tree Deco tape. I'm adding my deco tape freehand, but it's a good idea to measure the space in between each of the pieces to ensure that they are spaced as evenly as possible. I continued adding my tape to my entire vase, and when I was done, I had something that looked like this. I made sure that my tape was as smooth as possible and then added 2 coats of this white gloss paint to my jar as well. Before my paint completely dried, I removed my deco tape. To clean up my lines, I sprayed some of the gold paint into a plastic cup and then used a Q-tip to cover up the white overspray. Once I was happy with my design, I added some of these Pier 1 flowers that I picked up some time ago, and here's the finished look. For project number 2, I'm using some of these inexpensive glass pieces to make something super cute for my master bathroom. I again thoroughly cleaned my glass with warm soapy water and a cap full of bleach, and then I used a strong adhesive to adhere 2 of the pieces together. I have several crystal knobs left over from a project that I completed last year and thought that one would be perfect for this project. Of course, you can paint or decorate the glass a number of different ways, but I've decided to keep the glass clear, and I think that this really cute storage container turned out beautiful. I was super excited to find this large, unique glass jar for a little under $4. Once my glass was washed and dried, I added a coat of this metallic paint in the color pearl white. As you can see, it would have taken several coats of the white pearl paint to get good coverage, so I've instead decided to add 2 coats of white paint and then add 2 coats of the pearl white paint on top. And finally, to protect my paint, I'm adding a thin coat of a Mod Podge and silver extra fine glitter mixture. I had leftover scraps of this pearl and crystal rhinestone sheet that I used on a separate project. I've decided to add those pieces to my vase as well. I must say, I really like the color and texture of this vase as well as the pearl accent. I think that this vase turned out beautiful. But what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. Also, which is your favorite this week? I would love to hear from you. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, Dazzlers, bye.